Okay guys, this is part 2, so if you haven't watched part 1, the link is in the description down below. Now, in part 2 here, I'm going to show you how we got the link in bio page to be indexed by Google. So log into your link in bio account, choose your project, find your project link. In this case, we were working with the anchor. And of course, down here in the very bottom in your settings is the SEO fields, your page title and your meta description. So I go over all of that in the first video, so I'll explain it in detail there. Check the link in the description. Now, for the rest of us, let's go here, go to Google, and let's just do a search for Anchor link in bio. And I want to show you that Google has indexed the link in bio page. So right here, here's the first 10 results, and we're going to scroll down, and it happens to be on the second page right now. So if we scroll down, and you can see it right here. Notice the link. It says LinKInBio.is anchor. And if I hover over the link, and you can look down here, you can see that it is now in Google. So Google has indexed the page, and we are now there. So I'm going to click on the link and show you to prove it. Here you go. So this is the link that we worked on in part 1. Now that we have it in Google, we have a lot more work to do. So the next few things we're going to do in part 3 is I'm going to show you guys how to get Google to index your page. So first of all, you create your link in bio page, you set the SEO settings, set your H2 tags on the page, and then the next thing is you need Google to recognize the page. You need Google to find it. So I have a little trick that I do that I use about 6 sites. I use 6 different sites for backlinks, and within about a week, Google will recognize the page, and it'll get you in the results, which is what I just showed you. So the next thing after getting Google to actually recognize your page and to add you into the results, of course you want to be on page 1. So that's a whole process in itself, and we'll get to it in the following video because it can get pretty complicated. But now that you see that it's possible, go back to video 1, make sure you're setting your SEO tags, you're setting your H1 tag, your title tag, your description tag, and all your H2 tags on your page. And that'll get you off to a really good start to getting your link in bio to rank in SEO. So I will show you guys more details in the third video or part 3. So thanks for watching, and let's keep on moving.